Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the lines and angles. So in lines and angles we have some topics. The first topic I am going to say now is supplementary angle. Supplementary angle. So what do you mean by supplementary angle? If two angles will be supplementary if their measure is 180 degrees. So in a supplementary angle we have two angles. So if you check the measure of two angles, compulsory it should be 180 degrees. Then only we will call it as an supplementary angle. So example, I will consider here, I will consider two angles which is 70 degree, one angle is 70 degrees and one angle is 100 degree, 110 degrees. So sum of the both angles, here we have 70 and here we have 110. Sum of both angles 110 plus 70 is nothing but 180 degrees. So we call these both angles as an supplementary angles. So I will consider one more angle. Here one angle is 120 degrees and one more angle is 90 degrees, 190 degrees. I will consider it as 130 degrees. So here we have both the angles, sum of these both the angles is 250 degrees. So which is not equal to 180. So this is not an supplementary angle. So the two angles are said to be supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degrees. Now we will discuss some problems depending on supplementary angles. Now we will find the supplement of each of the following angles. So here I considered first question as 80 degrees. Now we should find the supplement for this 80 degrees. How? We know that sum of two angles in a supplementary angle is 180 degrees. So let us consider angle A as 80 degrees and we don't know the angle B. So angle B I will write as it is. We should find angle B. And we know that in the supplementary angle, sum of two angles, that is angle A and angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Now we have angle A value is 80 degrees. So I will substitute that 80 in the place of angle A. So 80 degrees plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. Now if I take 80 degrees, if I transpose 80 degrees to RHS, it will become minus 80. So angle B is equal to 180 minus 80. So 180 minus 80 is nothing but 100 degrees. Therefore, angle B is equal to 100 degrees. So now we got the supplement of the given question. Now we will go for the another example, that is B question, that is 105 degrees. So same, we know that sum of two angles is nothing but angle A plus angle B is nothing but 180 degrees. So let us consider 105 degrees as angle A. So in the place of angle A we should replace with the 105 degrees. So 105 degrees plus angle B is equal to 180 degrees. If I take 105 degrees to RHS, it will become negative. That means angle B is equal to 180 minus 105. If I subtract 105 from 180, you will get as 75 degrees. So 75 degrees is a supplement to 105 degrees. So this is a way we should find the supplement angles. Now we will learn about the complementary angles. So what do you mean by complementary angles? Two angles are said to be complementary. Two angles are said to be complementary if their measure is 90 degrees. If their measure is 90 degrees exactly. So I will consider an example now. In one box I am taking two angles Here it is 45 degrees and here one more 45 degrees. So sum of both the angles, if I add these both angles, it is 90 degrees. So we call these both angles as complementary angles. Now I will consider one more example. Which is 45 degrees first one, and next one as 60 degrees. If I do sum of this both angles, you will get 105 degrees, which is not an complementary angle. So we will discuss some problems depending on complementary angles now. Now we will find the complement of each of the following angles. Here I consider two angles, one is 60 degrees and one more is 73 degrees. Now we should find the complement of both the angles. So first one, a question I will solve it. The given degree is 60 degrees. Here we know that sum of two angles, that is angle A plus angle B, is equal to 90 degrees in the complementary angle. So let us consider angle A is equal to 60 degrees. So in the place of angle A, now I am replacing with 60 degrees. We don't know angle B, so I will write angle B is equal to as it is, and which is equal to 90 degrees. Now I will consider, I will take plus 60 to RHS, it will become minus 60. So angle B is equal to 90 minus 60. Therefore we will get angle B is equal to 30 degrees. Therefore angle 30 is complement to the given question. Next I will go for the next question, that is 73 degrees. Similarly we know that angle A plus angle B is equal to 90 degrees in a complementary angle. So similarly we will consider this as angle B now. So angle A we don't know, so I am writing as it is angle A, and angle B value is nothing but 73 degrees, and which is equal to 90 degrees. So in the next step, angle A is equal to, when I am taking 73 to RHS, it will become minus 73. So 90 minus 73 degrees. So if I subtract 73 from 90, we will get it as 13 degrees. So 13 degrees is supplement to 73 degrees. So this is the process how to find the value of the complementary angle.